I know some of you have had enough. I know, like, it feels like you should just give up. It feels like it's just enough destruction. It's just need to end. I know it, and I totally feel it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today I am going to convince you that you are here for a purpose, right? You have to hang in there. We are all in this together. You are not the only one suffering. Someone is out there who have a bigger problem than you, and that person think that the problem is only with that person. No, you are not alone. I am not alone. That person is not alone, and this person is not alone. Nobody is alone in this, in their problems, in destructions and everything. We are all in this together. Hang in there. It is going to make sense after a while. Yup, right? You're not alone. Plus, the thing is that you have the essential right. You have totally every right to give up. But don't. I am literally begging you, don't quit just yet. Hang in there a little longer. Great days, great things are about to come your way. Don't just quit. Don't quit just yet. This is not the time to quit. If you have entered in this world, you don't have to quit. You'll win or you'll lose. Winning and losing is the only thing you have. Quitting, there is no option of quitting, right? You cannot choose anything else. Your world needs you. Your world needs you more than ever right now. Your world needs you more than ever right now. If you don't have money, that's not problem. The world don't need your money. The world don't need anything. It just needs you. You have to be here to be to win. Don't quit. You could lose. That's not a problem. You could win. That's great. Quitting is even not an option. If you are not where you wanted to be, or if you're not where you expected to be, right? Keep going. Hang in there. As long as you are alive on this planet, you totally are where the world want you to be, or where the world need you to be. You are not where you wanted to be, or where you were expected to be in this year or that year or something. You are totally not alone. There are thousands and thousands of people with you. Don't ever feel like I am alone, that's why I am giving up. That's not an option. That's not an excuse, because you are not alone. Everybody have problems in their life. Nobody is perfect, and no one's life is perfect. Everyone have consequences, difficulties, problems, but they are working hard. They've stopped. Okay, they've stopped for a while. They've taken a break. They'll move on. They've not quit. They've just stopped. They've not backed up. Another topic I want to touch. Look, this will pass. However bad it is, I know it is so bad. It seems so destructive. It seems there is no end to it. It is so bad. But this will pass. You're not alone, and this will pass. These are the two main topics. These are the two main things that you have to focus on. This will pass. You're not alone. However bad it is, however destructive it is, this will pass. And I know it. I totally trust you and believe in you that however deep the hole is, you will dig your way out of it. From anywhere. You're not alone, and this will pass. This problem, consequence, difficulty will totally go away. How destructive it is, how bad it is so saddening. It seems like you're the only one suffering from it. But no, you are not the only one suffering from it. There are many people with you, but they are working hard, so you have to too. I want you to remember a time in your life where you thought it was the end. It was so destructive. You thought you'd never make it out, but you did. A time in your life, it was past. You are here now. You made it out of it. Allow that time. Think about it and allow that time to give you strength, to give you ability to work this problem out, to fight with the consequence. Just remember the time that it was so hard, it was so destructive, it was so saddening, it was so bad, you were so sad for it, because of, you were so sad because of it. You made your way out of it, right? You will make your way out of it too, out of this problem too. Allow that time, think about it, and allow that time to give you strength, to give you ability to work this problem out. Promise yourself today, no matter what, I will be better because of this pain. No matter what, I will use this pain. No matter what, I will be better after this consequence. No matter what, I will make my way out of this consequence, problem, or this destructive that seems like that this is the end. I can make it out. I promise you, good things are coming your way. Better things are on your way if you just hang in there a little longer. Second wind will probably kick in. So guys, this is gonna be end for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment on below your favorite part, and remember, we all will together work this problem out, work that problem out. Keep fighting, do not give up. You are not alone, and this will totally pass. Adios.